Okay, you see these gorgeous birds? I really love these birds. I don't know what kind of birds they are. I am slow. Oh, this is video 2, January 29th, 2021. I'm walking up to the birds very slowly. Can you hear them? Now they're being quiet. So I'm walking up slowly. Oh, now they're in the water swimming. I don't think they're not regular ducks. So I'm going to be quiet so you can hear them when they decide to speak in their bird-like way. And I am walking slowly up to them. See them? See how pretty? There they go, swimming in the water. That's the canal. Called Lauderdale Lakes, but it's canals. Okay, they are going under the bridge where it gets dark, and I'm not going under the bridge. Okay. Bye-bye, birdies. Bye.